with this enthusiastic or foolhardy crew and a truck and a trailer full of bikes. We're going to gather a few more folks along the way. Stopped a little bit before Dawsonville to pick up a few more buddies with a couple more bikes. There's a Beta and a WR. And here's the master hauler, Jax. And Vishal. And we've got 5 bikes loaded on this one. There's a Honda, there's a Husky 500, a couple of WRs, and Beta 450 or a 550. So quite the entourage heading on over. And a few people are going to meet us over there. Everybody's signed in and trying to unload the bikes. It is freezing cold. We've got a K9 participant as well. His name is Tiger. So somehow we managed to misplace Pradeep's bike key. Now there is an effort underway to hotwire the bike. Tiger will have a dedicated sitter for the day, unfortunately. It's starting to rain a little bit. It looks like frozen rain. What are we planning to do?
Trail one.
Why the heck do they have barbed wire right to slippery stuff? Tactically lay down the bike. Damn it! Ah, man! So, we have a little bit of a mud situation here. People are trying to bring Anish up the slope here. Cement number 33. Gaurav is trying to bring it up. It's going to be a freaking long day. Unless somebody cuts around the trail and... Nicely done! Good job, man! You're off again. Anish is taking some tactical rest. Here's Anish. Perfect. I started to fishtail, so I reduced the throttle and then I stalled. Fishtailing and sideways. That's exactly how I felt. Oh, body position गलत था. heck is that? You see those lines up there? Damn it! You see those things? I know. Holy cow! Woohoo! Made that. If I think you kept up your promise of not falling. Vishal. Awesome, you can see my state, right? What do you think, Anish? So after a little bit of lunch, we are heading out. So Jack apparently wants to take me down the trail where we had come for the beta demo. What the heck it has? Oh yeah. Okay. Oh man. What the heck is this? Do you want me to pull? Let me pull. Whoa. I was trying to get out of poor Pradeep's space. Yeah, that's exactly what happened here. Dude, this was not the trail, Jack. Thank you, Pradeep. I don't know what kind of cake you like, dude. Chocolate cake. This is not piece of cake. Good job. Where did these guys go? Oh man. Dung cakes all over. But to their credit, they had warnings about watch out for cows. I think Vishal is spinning a little bit. This will be interesting. It's stuck in a thorn bush. Unfortunately, I'm not able to dismount and go help the poor guy. And he saved my butt a couple times. I'm gonna try and do this. Sai. That is so slick. Buddy, show off. Hey, this is frozen rain. Let's go.
I was sitting it kept digging. I did. So the rear is just, see, I can't even walk here. Yeah, I did try and sit all the way back there. It kept spinning sideways though.